Hi guys, my name is Sarthakar and welcome back to my YouTube channel. You're watching Rocket Tech, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to add payment methods into your Facebook ad account. So this video majorly I'm making because a lot of time clients ask me how to add payment, how to add your GST details, how to add your taxing details and information, and I thought of making a video about it so that I can share this video with them and they. So if you are a client of mine, this video especially for you guys. So one thing before I go into my screen and show you how exactly it is done, there are two ways to add payments into your ad account. If you're running a personal ad account without a business manager, then there's only one way for you, that is going into ad account setting and adding your payment details into that. But if you're using a business manager, you can actually go to business manager setting and add a payment mode over there and distribute that payment mode to all the ad accounts that you're running in that business manager. So all your ad accounts, if you have more than one, if you have 4 or 5 ad accounts, all of them can share one payment method. If you do that the second way, which was putting your payment details into business manager settings, right? But if you only want you want one ad account to only charge one credit card or a debit card and not the other one, or if you want to separate, you want to keep separate payment modes for separate ad accounts, then the first way is your way. So before I hop into my screen and show you how exactly you want to add your payment details into your ad account settings and your business manager setting, if you're watching this video for the first time, if you're watching me for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon so that you get all the notifications for my new upcoming videos. And I promise to be more active on my YouTube channel. I'm so sorry I wasn't so active in the past 6 months due to XYZ reasons. And also, if you have any specific questions, put that in the comments and I'll try my best to answer those for you. Thank you so much, guys. Let's hop into my screen now. So here we are in front of my screen and let's open Business Manager through business.facebook.com. And if you do not have one for yourself, business manager, you need to get one because that's the most important asset. And go to business manager, go to manager for all your assets management or your ads management. And if you have multiple people in your team, they can manage all the pages. For example, I've got like 40 odd pages of my clients and my own, and I've got 6 people managing those pages, one of me, which is. So let me show you how it is done. So the very first thing that I'm going to show you is how to add payment methods in your business manager so that multiple of your ad accounts can use one payment method and so forth. So here, if you go into your business settings, if you don't know how to come to business settings, let me show you again. So when you click on your business manager, you come to this screen and scroll a little down on the left side, you see business settings, and even on the this left column, you see this business setting here as well. Click here and you will be redirected to this page over here. And if you scroll a little down, you can find your payments over here. From here you can add a payment method. Click there and now you can choose which country you want to bill, your billing country and your currency and your new credit or debit card, and just whenever you're done, click continue. And by the way, if you're watching this video from India, there are some banks which do not allow Facebook, Instagram, so beware of that. For example, RuPay card does not work over here, and there are specific banks whose debit card does not work over here. I think it is majorly PNB and SBI, but I'm not too sure about that because I have neither, but my clients have faced this problem in the past. If you do not have any other card than PNB or SBI, you probably are in some big trouble. But this is if you have a valid debit card which works on Facebook, this will work, this way will work. Now the second way is going into the ad account and putting your debit card details into that ad account, so that, and all the taxation information will be in the ad account itself. So let me go into my ad account. I'm not gonna show you any of my clients' ad account to you. So here we are. When we are on this screen, this 9-dot button you see, which is business tools, click on that, and if you scroll down, you're looking for ad account setting. Where is that? Here it is, ad account settings. And you come here and you'll see your business name, the currency that you have chose, the time. And by the way, earlier there was no way that you could change your currency and your time. This is new. So now I can actually change my time zone as well, which was not there and which is not working as well. Anyways, so if you scroll down, you will see my business name, address, and the GST PAN details, which I have blurred obviously for obvious reasons. And now if you go to left column, you'll see payment settings over there, just below add account, pages, and payment settings. Now you see the card that I have already put in here, and I've got some free credits from Facebook as well, which is equivalent to 2.21 rupees. Okay, that's very helpful. Thank you so much, Facebook, for that. Now, if you want to add, click on the add payments mode over here and put in your card details, your credit or debit card details, and you also have an option to choose which GST number you want to bill this. This is your billing information. You save that. I click on add payment, right? Yeah. Now you can add debit or credit card of your choice into this, and you also have an option to add Facebook ad coupons, which you didn't had in the business settings or business manager setting, right? So this is primarily how we do, because usually the clients and we also run only one ad account per page or per business manager, but you have options to create multiple ad accounts. And I know a lot of people who scale up their campaigns to the heights and they need multiple ad accounts because they do not want any chances. They don't take any chances that if you get one ad account blocked, you can use the multiple ad accounts. For them, or if you're one of them, the best way for you will be to go to business manager setting from here and go to payments and add your payment mode from there. And by the way, one bonus over here, if you want to check out how many ad accounts you can create from your business manager, you can go into business info, scroll down a little bit, and here you can see ad account creation limit. So since my business manager is old and also we have spent a lot of money from it, I have a limit of 5 ad accounts, but when you start running advertisements, you will only get ad account limit of 1 ad account. When you start spending on that and for a week or so, it might get to 2 ad accounts. But when you have enough data and if you have enough money spent on Facebook, you will get to 5 ad accounts. And I think that's the limit. One business manager can only have up to 5 ad accounts, can create up to 5 ad accounts. And plus you also have one more ad account of your own, which is your personal ad account, which you can add in your business manager as well. So that takes up to 6 ad accounts. And if you have multiple people in your business manager who is like, I have my wife with me on my business manager as well, so I access it sometimes from her ID as well. So I can add one business ID, one ad account from her ID as well. So that brings it to 7 ad accounts that I can put into this. So guys, this was how you want to add your payment method into your ad account settings and your business manager setting. And now you don't have to ask anyone, you just can watch this video many times if you still have confusion or if you still are not able to add your payment methods. And also if you want your GST details, I already shown you how to put your GST detail and where to put that. But if you're in a different country and different taxation, so I'm sure those taxation and those details will appear in the same boxes in the same place where we put our country's taxation details, which was GST. So thank you so much guys, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and please do not forget to subscribe me and hit the bell icon. And if you have any question, any specific question that you have about the video or about anything else related to digital marketing or Facebook, Instagram ads or business manager or your website or whatever, please let me know in the comment section. See you. Bye bye.